What's up now? It's your boy Mr. 6.5. Today I'm doing another review on the EM Audio 6.5. This is actually their smaller one. It's a little more budget friendly. Which, as you can see, it's a lot smaller. I done a review on this one the other day. If you didn't get a chance to look at it, go check it out. Anyhow, this one uses the same exact basket. The cone and surround is slightly different. It's not a stitch surround. Like I said, this is more of the their budget line sub. Alright, so it has push terminals, which the push terminals are smaller on this one, but this sub's only rated at 300 watts RMS. But even for 300 watt RMS sub, has pretty big tensile leads. Looks like it uses the same progressive spider as the larger 6.5. It also has a American-made 2-inch coil in it as well. It's high temp coated. I would expect this to be able to handle a little bit more than 300 watts. They probably was conservative with their power rating on that. Like I said, the motor structure is smaller. It's a single stack or a single slug, whatever you want to say. It's advertised as 80 ounce. It has the bump back plate on it, pole vent, and it also has the cooling holes on the former. So typically I show the packing material and stuff, how it was sent to me, but I actually met up with these guys and had lunch, and I just directly picked the sub up. So it wasn't shipped to me, so I'm sure it's just your standard packing material. I'm not sure if they include decals and stuff with it or not. Anyhow, I'll be testing it in the Sniper box. Sniper box is a series tuned 6th order. It's fully adjustable. The test vehicle is a 88 2-door Jeep Cherokee. So let's go ahead and load it up and get started. Alright, so the EM Audio 6.5 is now loaded up. Meter format is Outlaw Kick. And let's see here. I am using a Termlab Magnum. I am clamping power. The first run that I always like to do is a 100 watt run, and the purpose of the 100 watt run is just so I can check all my test equipment and make sure that everything's reading, everything's fine. I typically overshoot it, so it's really not that important that I hit exactly 100 watts, but that is what we're shooting for, so here we go. Alright, a 141.33 at 102 watts. So next up we'll do the RMS run, which is 300 watts. I did read somewhere, I think I seen where it was said that it was 250, but on their webpage it says 300. So I'll have to double check that and confirm that exactly if it's 250 or if it's 300. But I will include the a screenshot of what the specs say on their website. So let's do a 300 watt, which would be RMS. Alright, so it doesn't get no better than that on the power. 145.18 at 300 watts. And like I said, I will double check and confirm if it's 250 or 300 on the RMS. Alright, let me check everything out and we'll do a 2X run. Alright, so let's do a 2x run, which will be 600 watts. So let's see. $147.21 at 609 watts. It's pretty good. I believe this next run I'm going to do, I'm going to try to splice some video footage together. I'm going to leave a camera here on the screen on the term lab, and I'm going to try to record the motion of the sub, and we'll see what we got. Alright, so this is going to be rather difficult. I'm going to attempt to record the sub's motion. You know, we're going to see where it goes, because wherever I'm set at right now, I'm just going to go with it. Send it. And there it went. You know, looks like the cone buckled, and I know it got a huge spike of power there towards the end, but let's see what the numbers are. And there you have it. You know, it had a huge power spike at the end when the coil let loose, but either way, 151, 7,291 watts. You know, that's a pretty damn good number for a 300 watt sub. Let's pull the sub out real fast and see exactly what did go wrong. Even though the other camera didn't record the actual screen like I wanted it to, I would have liked to have seen exactly how much power this happened at. But, I mean, it is what it is. Anyhow, I actually pushed it down and it locked up, and from the looks of it, let's see if you can see this. See if it'll focus in on it. Probably not. So more than likely what happened, this is my guess, I'm not going to cut this sub up. I'll let EM Audio cut it up and check everything out. So you can see the former broke, but probably what happened was it ran out of mechanical stroke, which, I mean, Lord, it was on heavy power. Ran out of mechanical stroke, and the coil probably bottomed out, and when it did, it locked up, which caused it to snap the former. That's just my guess. Like I said, I'm not going to cut it up to diagnose it real good. You know, I'll let them guys do that. But there you have it. I mean, little budget line 6.5, just pulled a 51 off, so can't complain there. All right, y'all have a good one.